In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get started with Monarch Money. Whether you're using an iOS device, an Android phone, or prefer to manage your finances through a web browser at monarch.com, this guide will walk you through the essential steps to set up your account and begin taking control of your financial planning. First, you'll want to download the Monarch Money app. It's available on both the App Store for iOS users and Google Play for those on Android. If you prefer using a computer, simply navigate to monarch.com on your browser to access the platform. This initial step is crucial, as having the app at your fingertips will make managing your finances more convenient and seamless. Once the app is installed, the next step is to create an account. Open the app or go to the website and look for the option to create a new account. Here you'll need to enter your email address and set a password. Make sure to choose a strong password to keep your information secure. After entering your details, follow the prompts to verify your email, and you'll be ready to move on to the next step. Now that your account is set up, it's time to link your financial accounts. This is where Monarch Money really shines, allowing you to view all your financial details in one spot. Click on the option to link accounts, and you'll be guided through a process to securely connect your bank, credit card, loan, and investment accounts. By linking these accounts, Monarch Money can give you a comprehensive view of your financial situation, making it easier to track your spending and savings. After linking your accounts, you'll want to set up budgets. Navigate to the budget section and start adding categories that match your spending habits. You can assign a budget limit to each category to help you monitor your spending. This feature is instrumental in helping you stay on track with your financial goals and avoid overspending. Setting goals is another powerful feature of Monarch Money. Head over to the goals section and tap on the option to create a new goal. Here you can set a target amount you'd like to save and assign a deadline for when you'd like to achieve this goal. Whether it's saving for a vacation, a new car, or just boosting your emergency fund, setting clear goals will keep you motivated and focused. Lastly, make a habit of reviewing your dashboard. The dashboard is where you can see an overview of your financial activities, including your spending patterns, net worth, and cash flow. Regularly checking this information will help you stay informed about your financial health and make adjustments as needed. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to mastering your finances with Monarch Money. So go ahead, get started today, and take the first step towards achieving financial freedom.